Hi everybody, so welcome back to the third part of the vlog post. I sorted out all the cards and I sleeved all the attribute cards. So there are basically a couple of stacks. So there are gold cards, silver cards, copper cards. These are the old legacy cards. These are all Bakutech. I don't know what are these. They look a bit strange. Yeah. So I'm not too sure what are these. They have different backings. Okay, and these are the ability cards. The red ability card, green ability card, and the blue ability card. So I don't think I'll go through all of them as it will take too much time. I'll just show you the ones that are the shiny cards, the more special cards. So this is a McDonald card. I think this is the one that they used to get some special prizes maybe. I'm not too sure. It's the McDonald cards. There's one sticker. Proof of friendship. This is Burning Dragon. Looks like a Dragonoid. Can't tell which one it is. And these are the ability cards. Special ability cards. Evil Buster Flare. Two of them. Evil Buster Earth is Grand Panzer. Evil Buster Sky. Can't tell who this is. I think this is Falco, one of the Falcos. This Evil Buster Darkness. This Monikis. And Dio Break. That looks quite cool. It says here this is a Dio Sivak only card, ability card. You need to use it before shooting. Okay. And this is a... I'm not too sure what kind of card is this. There's a man here. His name is Mr. Shimo. I don't know who is Mr. Shimo. It's a gold ability card. Basically they have something called judge points. I'm not too sure what's the system for these cards, but there's something called judge points. For your own Bakugan, you can use this ability card and get the same judge points as your attribute. It's usable by all Bakugan factions and you need to use it during the battle. So I need to find out more about how these Bakutech cards are being played before I can comment more. But anyway, yes, this is by Mr. Shimo. Okay, I won't show the rest of the cards because there's just too many and it take up too much time. Anyway, this is the end of this vlog post. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please click the like button and subscribe. See you next video. Thanks. Bye.